to my channel. My name is Lori and welcome to my first vlog. Well, I guess it's not my first vlog because I did my Mexico birthday vlog and I also did a zoo vlog with my family, but this is my first weekly vlog just to get things rolling and in motion. Bear with me, please. I'm just gonna go start working now. Brian's on the phone over there. I think the lens is dirty. I'm just trying to revise today's post. But bookkeeping actually saves you. It's not just time. So it's almost lunchtime, and for lunch we're going to have ground beef and sweet potatoes. But the sweet potato takes a while to make, so I'm gonna get that started now. Film myself eating because I'm not ready for that yet. It's the end of the work day, so we're gonna go to the gym now and do some cardio. I thought you were about to sneeze. Wake up. Usually for cardio I like to just wear shorts, like gym shorts. Sports bra and a t-shirt. Just gonna do a little ponytail. Okay, that's the best I can do for now. Not bad. So we're back from the gym and it's time to make dinner, and for dinner I wanted to make chicken Caesar salad wraps. I haven't made them before, so I hope it turns out okay. I'm just gonna skip the flour part. Hi, today's Tuesday. I'm just working on some editing. We post Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And right now I'm ahead on carousels, which is what we post on Monday. So I don't have to do that right now. Yeah. This is Ryan's workstation, but it's also my workstation because we like to share the locations depending on what we're working on. But here is where the editing magic happens. Good morning, guys. It's now Friday. Last night we did some laundry because we're packing to go visit my family. We're gonna leave today, Friday, and come back home next Sunday. We have a lot of activities that we're gonna do while we're there, so I'm really looking forward to that. But that means we have a lot of clothes to pack. I don't really know what to pack, so I want to make sure I'm prepared. Maybe some everyday fits. There are two things that we're going there specifically for, them being my brother's graduation. Actually, both of the things are for my brother's graduation. They're on Tuesday and Thursday. Tuesday he has a banquet, Thursday he has the actual ceremony. He's only middle school, by the way. Yes, Tuesday he has a banquet, and he asked me and Ryan to accompany him, which I thought was very nice. So that's why we're going. And yeah, just gonna go ahead and start packing. I should have done it last night, but we got distracted by Diablo 4. Got a little road trip snack. These are so good.